Part 2 map. Welcome. In part 2 I am welcoming you. So I have to start physical features, right? That is second one. So ice and snow cover about 98% of the Antarctica. What ice and snow cover 98%, to which Antarctica it will cover 98%. It will cover 98%. Okay. Then next. Therefore, most of the relief features of the continent are covered by ice sheets. Ice sheets means, therefore, most of the relief features of the continent are covered by ice sheets. Ice sheets. Okay. Then high mountain peaks and few plateaus are the only visible land surface. What high mountains? High mountains sheet. High mountains and peaks and peaks. A few plateaus are the only land surfaces visible. You can see here, right? I'll scope and you can see here. This is called as like this. You can see this. Okay. Then next, the ice layer, which approximately 2,300 meters thick. Then the ice layer, which approximately 2,300 meters thick. 2,300 meters thick. Okay. This shows makes it look white. What makes it look white? 2,300 meters thick will make it look white. Then next. Therefore, Antarctica is called the white continent for this ice layer. For this ice layer, this is called as white continent. Then it is also known as snow desert and cold desert, as it generates the coldest climate. And the white continent is also known as snow desert. Okay. It is also known as snow desert, and it is also known as cold desert. Okay. Why? This is also why it is called, because snow desert means the snow will be white in color. You can see here. Yeah, white in color. White in color. And cold desert. Why? Because of there will be more. There will be more cold. Okay. Then next. Under the ice, Antarctica has the relief features such as mountains, lowlands, valleys, and gorges. Antarctica is the highest continent in terms of average elevation. So what here it is asking you? Just you can see these pictures. Then next you can see here. Still West Antarctica will finish today. Okay, still West Antarctica will finish. Then next, what is there? You can see here. This part you have to look down. Then you see here. Under the ice, I read this. Okay. Antarctica is the highest continent. What is Antarctica? The highest continent. This is the highest continent. Then, in terms of from which it has become the highest continent, that is terms of average elevation. 2,300 meters. That is of 2,300 meters. That is 2,300 meters. Yeah. For this average elevation 2,300 meters, so it has become the highest continent. Then next, the Trans-Antarctica mountain crosses the entire continent. The what? The Trans-Antarctica will cross the. Think this is the boundary line. It crossed the boundary line. Crosses the entire continent. Yeah? Means like you can see here. This is your Antarctica map, right? Here is one Trans-Antarctica. What? Antarctica, right? Trans-Antarctica. What is that? It crosses, you can see here. You can see here it has finished here. The Antarctica, it has crossed the entire continent. Okay. Then you can see here. It divides Antarctica into two major physical divisions. East Antarctica and West Antarctica. Okay, I'll show you that. Which Trans-Antarctica. Let's see it here. You can see the Trans-Antarctica in this position. It will be show now. Just we'll zoom in, and we'll zoom in. Let's search here. This is our Trans-Antarctica. You can see this part. Okay. this part we have Trans Antarctica. Okay, I'll mark and show you just a second. In this part we have Trans Antarctica. Okay, in this part we have Trans Antarctica. Okay, just Trans Antarctica. So after this, what is there? We'll just go. Just we were on Trans Antarctica. After this, you can see. After this, you can see here that which will divide, and East Antarctica and West Antarctica will divide. This Trans Antarctica will divide East Antarctica. Yeah, East and West Antarctica, right? East and West Antarctica it will divide. So you can see East Antarctica. We are going to see about East Antarctica and West Antarctica. In next, East Antarctica faces the South Atlantic Ocean. What is this? East. This is sorry. Then East Antarctica. Think here is our East Antarctica, right? It faces towards it faces towards which can say it is that it faces through South Atlantic Ocean. South Atlantic Ocean. It is South Atlantic. This South Atlantic Ocean. Then after this we'll get that. Here you can see after this you can see here. And Indian Ocean. It faces both Indian and Atlantic Ocean. Thick Ocean faces towards Indian Ocean and Atlantic Ocean, both each other. Then you can see that it covers more than half of the continent. What? It covers more than half of the continent and is called the Greater Antarctica. It covers more than covers more than half. Means this is our full, then this is our half, and this is more than half. Means they will not take this, or they will not take this part. This, which is shaded part, they will take that part itself. So it will take more than half a continent. That is called the Greater Antarctica. Greater Antarctica. So after this, along the coast of the region, there are mountains. Coastal areas, you know that coastal areas, along with these coastal areas, mountains, valleys, and one more is mountain, valleys, and glaciers. The central part of the region is a plateau where the South Pole is located. South Pole is located. That the central part, okay, the central part of the region is located region is a plateau, okay, where the South Pole is located, where the South Pole is located. where the South Pole is located, where plateau. This region will leave plateau. This plateau is nothing but South Pole is located here itself. Then for just will take for part 3. Please subscribe and bell. Please. Okay. If you subscribe, then you will get part 3. Part 3 will start from West Antarctica to still more it is than West Antarctica to more. Then see vegetation this still this much to need 1 page, 2 page, 3 page, 4 page, 5 page. Still for 5 page will make still part. Okay, we have did 5 page, no, then 5 part 5 still you have to see. Okay, then still here, if you have any, please comment. If you have any doubt, so then comment our channel. Have to message, I'll reply and I will explain in our next part. Okay, thank you. Thank you. 1, 2, bye bye.